Hi there, my name's Evette. I'm the hygienist here at Imperial Dental Center, and today I'd like to talk to you about flossing. So flossing is super important. This gets out the bacteria in between our teeth, obviously, and helps prevent tooth decay and many other issues. But whenever my patients floss, they're usually a little confused about how much floss to use, what types of floss to use, what type of other options there is to clean in between their teeth. There's many options, but we're going to talk about just flossing today. I like to use about this much floss. This is a lot, but it's about an arm's length. You see that? But the reason being is because if you use this little piece of floss, and I'm gonna use broccoli as an example, but if I go in between my teeth and I pluck out a piece of broccoli, and then I go in between my other teeth, I just put that broccoli in that area. So I like to use a fresh piece of floss when I'm flossing, and I'm able to do that with an arm's length. So with my arm's length of floss, you'll pinch there, wind, see that? And now you're gonna pinch here, and you're gonna go in between the teeth. You're gonna curve the floss to be a C shape. I'm gonna try to show you this on a mannequin. So this is why when I use this long piece of floss, I go in between the teeth, C shape, up and down, C shape, up and down, take it out, and this is the magic. I wind it around. Now I have a fresh piece of floss. And you're gonna go in between the teeth, wipe up and down, wipe up and down, take it out, and look at this. Now I have a fresh piece of floss, and you just keep going. In the beginning, when you floss like this, it might take you a very long time. But after you've been doing it for quite some time, you can really get this done in about 30 seconds. I hope this helped. Y'all have a good day. Hope to see y'all soon. Take care.